Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, it's been a long time it seems like since I've done a base box, okay? And this is for the month of October. And for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I got you. All the information is right down below, okay? Including a link for you to click on so you can get some money off on your first box. How about that? Okay, so let's just open it up and see what's inside. The first thing we pull out is our description card, okay? And it says, our theme says, everyone will be under your spell. Okay, so let's just jump in and see what's in the box. Okay, so the very first item that we have is by the Beauty Crop. And it's this one right here. And it says this is the Stuck on You Eye Primer. It says this soft and creamy eye primer makes your eyeshadow go so much further. It locks in color and prevents pigments from creasing, smudging, or fading. This universal eye primer is buildable and slightly tinted, so eyeshadow pigments really pop, and is held in place throughout the day. All right, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18, and this is enriched with coconut and pomegranate seed oil. All right, and okay, right off the bat, y'all, you know we're not opening this right now. I do have eye primer that is currently open. This one has a 9-month shelf life. Okay, so that's the first item that we have, and I think we're off to a pretty decent start. Now, I must tell you, this one is cruelty-free and also vegan. All right, so then the next one, I have so many of these. This one is going in a giveaway. It's by the company Symbiosis. Now, it says this one is the Depuffing and Dark Circles Relief Eye Serum. It says this weightless high potency eye serum aims to soothe and renew fatigued eyes that have been marked by puffiness and dark circles, resulting in a calmer, rejuvenated eye area. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $127. Now, it is a 0.50 fluid ounce size. It has hyaluronic acid and RNA, and it has a 6-month shelf life. Now, it will go in a giveaway. I do want you to know it's not because I don't like it, because I definitely do. I just have maybe 6 of them in the drawer, okay? Now, let me also say, this is my opinion, Anytime these boxes want to increase the value of the boxes, they put products like this in it, okay? Because the manufacturer suggested retail price is so high, okay? Look, we're on to the game. We're on to the game, y'all, okay? Now, I'm going to let you in on this. At least 4 times this year, at least. This year isn't even over, okay? But at least, and it's probably been more than that, and I will probably go back and check it, and if it's more than 4, I'll put it up here. But it's so much easier for them to give you a credit to their store for $6 and make the value of your box look much higher than it is. Come on, y'all. Let's just do right, okay? Be honest about it. Just be honest about it, okay? So it becomes very, very obvious. But nonetheless, it is a good product. I'm just saying, in order to boost the value, you will see a lot of skincare appear in a box, okay? That's where the big time charges are. I'm just saying. Okay, my rant is over. Okay, moving back to the box. The next item that I have is by Earth Harbor, and this is the Celestine Hydra-Plumping Peptide Serum. Get that goddess glow by hydrating and replenishing skin with 8 juicy botanical hydrators, including 3 molecular weights of plant-based hyaluronic acid for effectively filling each layer of skin, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $45. Now, I already have one of these, but I'm going to open it as I let you know what else is the case, all right? Now, this bottle is a 1 fluid ounce size. It's really pretty. Look at the color. But that's not what we're going for, but I'm just saying, all right? Now, with that being said, this is also a cruelty-free and vegan product. It has a 6-month shelf life, but this stuff is amazing and it smells really, really nice, okay? Now, it says it is plant-based, holistic, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no soy, no gluten, small batch made, and it's a woman-owned company, okay? Love me some Earth Harbor. I have quite a few products from them, okay? And for skincare, their prices are not bad, all right? Just so you know. That is item number 3. Then item number 4 is by the company Pure. I have this product as well, okay? So this one is the Fully Charged Mascara. This mascara is powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. It's fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as nourishing vitamin B. This mascara helps condition and strengthen eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss, okay? Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $22, okay? And this one is a vegan-friendly product. It's gluten-free and it's PETA approved. Okay. Now, this one is a 0.44 fluid ounce size, and it has a 6-month shelf life. I'll show you what the packaging looks like, but y'all already know we will not be opening mascara until it is time to use it. Why? Because the expiration date comes so quickly, you know? So, and we want to be able to enjoy our products, okay? So, this is what the inner packaging looks like, and it's by a well-known name, Pure. All right, so that is item number 4. And the last item that we have is by CIATE London. And this is the Spice Palette. It's that time of year, y'all. And it's a blend of highly pigmented metallics and mattes that work seamlessly with neutral mattes to add an epic spice to any makeup look. Do I have this one? No. And it's also a new launch. Manufacturer suggested retail price $39. Now, okay, this is what the inner packaging looks like, okay, and it is made up of 9 shades. All right, and it is a 0.63 ounce size, and it has an 18-month shelf life. Let's just check out these shades. Oh, they are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You know, but we do have shades like this, okay? I'm sure we all have some in our arsenal somewhere. But it's always good to have a backup, all right? And CIATE London's products are really very well pigmented. They're nice and they're very buildable, okay? So we can swatch. I'm loving this brown. So let's just swatch the brown. We'll do a shimmer, and we're going to do this neutral on the top. Look at that. Look at those shades right there. And then when we swatch them, this is what that pigmentation looks like. Now, this is just one pass, okay? Just one pass. So I like the fact that it is buildable and it does last. Now, I'll tell you what I will do is I'll put another layer on. Okay, now I swatched it twice. Look at that. It's nice and buildable. Okay? All right. So this, I'm telling you, it seems like it's been so long since I've done a base box. I'm like, okay, it's actually only 5 products, but that's what comes in the base box. 5 products. Okay? So, what are your thoughts? I have challenges and I've already voiced them. That I'm not really cool with. But I do love the products that I have. I just would like them to be a little bit more honest about it. But you know what? It's a business. It is definitely a business. And it didn't say that you wouldn't receive a repeat item or something like that so that you can reach a box value. But that's my challenge. And I'm going to stop because otherwise it's going to be a rant all over again. So let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what came in your boxy base box if you are a subscriber, okay? So I just want to tell you I thank you so very much for spending some time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm base box. Now I'm going to let you know ahead of time. You will see 2 videos today. Why? Because both of my boxies came in at the same time. So we'll put this one down, which means you're going to see the same outfit one more time as we unbox our premium box. All right? So stay on the lookout for that. And I thank you so very much for spending time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm base box. These are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for the entire contents of the box. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.